Hello pre-K! Today we are going to be practicing a self-portrait. Now, a self-portrait is a picture, so portrait means picture, and self means of you. So a self-portrait means a picture of you. So self-portraits usually are from a person's tip top of their head to about their shoulders. So I'm going to show you step by step. We're going to do a draw with me on how a self-portrait is going to look. So we're going to get started. One shape that we usually use when we draw a self-portrait is the letter U. The letter U. So I want you to take your finger and you're going to practice tracing the letter U. So I'm going to take my marker. So you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil because we draw light until we get it right. And you're going to practice the letter U before you draw. So I'm going to look at my paper and find the middle of the paper and draw the letter U. I want to leave some room at the top and I want to leave some room at the bottom. I want to leave some room at the top because I'm going to put the hair, and I want to leave some room at the bottom because I'm going to put the neck and the shoulders. So let's get started. So I started with my letter U, and then I'm going to put two backward C's. So a C over here, a little curve, and then a backward C or a D on this side. And then I want to draw two lines going down, so bloop, bloop, for the neck. And then a little collar, so a little curve. And then for the shoulders, we do a curve down and another curve down. So remember, we start with our U shape, bloop, 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 a curve and line and line. And if you're watching this first, you don't draw, that's actually a really good idea because you get to see what Miss Alsayed is doing and then you get to do your own. So now we're gonna get started on the face. So I'm thinking of the eyes. So when I wanna do the eyes, I'm gonna do a little curve here and a little curve here. And bring it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You just try your best and forget the rest. And I'm gonna put a little circle here for the inside of the eyes. And it kind of looks like he's worried so far, but we're going to change that. And then the nose is gonna be a curve. Now you can put your curve up or you can put your curve down. I'm gonna put my curve up because it's cute. And then I want my self-portrait to be smiling really wide. So I'm going to put a large smile. And maybe some freckles. I'm gonna put freckles on mine. And then I want my eyebrows. And if you would like to put your eyelashes, you can put your eyelashes. And so far, I'll put my teeth as well. So far we have the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the eyebrows. Now, I want to put my hair. So Miss Alsayed has very curly hair, so she's going to do a couple curls over here so far. And then I'm going to do my hair, the rest of it like that. So if it's going to help you maybe find a mirror and you're going to observe or look very closely at the mirror first before you start drawing. And so far, I have my self-portrait. Maybe you want to go back in and do a design on the shirt. Maybe you want to put a necklace. I might make my shirt striped since I'm actually wearing a striped shirt today. So, okay, and I think that's it for right now. So boys and girls, remember we're going to start with the U shape, and then you take simple lines to create the rest of your self-portrait. When you're done with your drawing, you're going to go back in and take some colors. Today I want to use pastels, so I'm going to go in with pastel. Now remember, when we talk about pastels are like crayons, but they're waxier. It's like almost like a crayon made out of a candle, and it stays on there, so you have to be careful with your hands. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Bye-bye.